and not go back to the life of crime. Okay.
She's not here, but this is the salon that she actually does the beauty at. So when she does her nails, the braids,
and then the offenders, when they go to court, like we always see, they come here to do their hair and their nails before, prior to that they will appear in court. We have courses that are running for now, hair and beauty. Nail technician is running for 12 months now.
Mm-hmm.
Service provider today today service provider didn't come, but they normally come a week, maybe the other week they give offenders time to practice what they have learned. That is all that we do.
And the purpose is skills development?
It's skills development. They are certificated after every course that is being conducted.
Then they can utilize their
skills outside.
Skills outside.